헬로Dj. Find alphabet A to N. In the wild, let's begin. Come with D and J again. A is for alligator, snappy and strong. B is for bear who hums a song. C is for cat, so quick and cute. D is for dog that likes to hoot. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fox who